Hello and welcome to day 106 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. To imagine this, you need to invite to a list of people to an event, send emails to all your customers, or follow up with all the leads through email. You have a long list of people to send emails. Now picture yourself copy pasting each person's email ID, their name, and so on and so forth. Today, we are learning how do we send bulk emails automatically using Pabbly Connect via Gmail using Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you will be able to send personalized email in bulk with just a few clicks. No manual work required. Let's dive in. So before we begin, I would assume that you have already created an account on Pabbly Connect. If not, please use our affiliate link and create the account. I'll go ahead and create a workflow from here. If you recall, on Zapier, we call it as Zap. On Make, we call it as Scenario. And on Pabbly Connect, we call it as Workflow. So I'll make this as bulk email. You can also create folders and save this workflows in specific folders so that you can organize them better. I'll put it in Home itself for now. And once this happens, you can choose the trigger. As always, every automation starts with a trigger. I will search for Sheets and I'll use Google Sheets, because all the data we have added in the Google Sheets for now, right? So I'll say new or updated spreadsheet row, right? You will get a webhook URL, copy this, go to your Google Sheets, go to extensions, click on add-ons and get add-ons. Search for Pabbly Connect and you should get this Pabbly Connect webhook. You have to install this. I've already installed this. So you can see this, it's already installed, and I'll close this. So once you install, go to Pabbly Connect webhook here and click on initialize setup. Once you do that, you have to put the URL over here, whatever you copy from here, and then you have to tell what is the trigger column, right? Ideally, the last column should be the trigger column. I'll put it as the, click on submit, right? Once you do that, you can see that setup configured successfully. You can also send test. Basically, these details will be sent to Pabbly Connect and you can actually see them coming over here, right? Once you get the sample data, just scroll down and you can see the action here. We can send the emails either with Gmail or maybe Outlook. In Pabbly Connect, you'll have to search for Microsoft 365 and the action will be mail, send mail, right? Click on connect. And I have already connected, but if not, you can click on add new connection. Click on connect with Microsoft Office 365. It'll ask you for the account. Select your account and give permission and you're all sorted, right? It'll ask you for the subject. Let's say testing about email, and content can be plain or HTML. I'll go with plain. Body type can be hello, space. We can go to this particular one where they're getting the name. I'll use the name. Then we are testing about email. Regards package BC. Okay. The recipient also is coming from step 1, and this is the one, right? Once you select that, click on save and send test request. We actually get the email. Show you that. So here is the email, right? So I've got hello Ritesh, we are testing bulk email. Once this is done, you can go to extension and you can make it as send on event, right? So basically this will enable the data to be sent on specific event, that is add new rows. And then I'll copy this and paste it. So it's as good as new row being added. I can show you that I've got 2 emails just now because I have 2 of the real email addresses, abcd@redstone.com and support@redstone.com. So this I've got for one of the emails, and I can also show you the other one, which is this one, which is Priyam. This is hello Ritesh and this is hello Priya. So this is Ritesh and this is. So for others also it would have gone, but these are test emails. So this is how you can send bulk emails from Pabbly Connect. Now this might not be the straightforward method, but it is a simple method and you can use it. And just like that, we have automated sending bulk emails using Pabbly Connect. No more copy pasting, no more manual follow-up. just a seamless automated email system that works on its own. Of course, Pabbly Connect isn't the only tool that can do this. You can use Zapier or Make for this as well. I hope this video cleared your doubts on bulk email automation. That's all for today. Tomorrow, we will explore how do we add filters in our automation process. See you in the next one.